97. Happy Friday evening. And we are getting ready to do a little shopping. Okay? I want you to take just a few minutes with me. And we're going to shop. And I'm going to show you like 5 quick, beginner-friendly, easy designs using this wonderful product I got from Madam Glam. Now listen, they are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. They have a membership program that is excellent. They will send you polish every single month the same way that they do me. The difference is you're going to pick out your stuff and I picked out these. Okay? We're always going to be happy with Madam Glam because you really truly get to choose what you want. This month, this is what I chose. Now, y'all seen the holographic movement, the cat eye movement, and Madam Glam, they are stepping up. To me, their design, like, not just their polishes, but the design stuff that they're coming out with is just really, really great for me, somebody who's into nail art. But it's all, like, no matter the level you are on nails, friendly. They've got the jelly polishes, they've got the chrome 3D gel, and I got all of it, even the ink. And it was like all of the trends that you see on YouTube and Instagram, a lot of those things take like one special item, like a special ink, a special polish, something like a magnet. You know what I mean? You gotta have this thing. And you're like, girl, I just want my nails to look like a picture. Madam Glam said, Candy, we got some of that stuff. I said, Madam Glam, you got it? They said, we got it. So I picked it out. And I decided I wasn't just going to pick out polishes. I wanted to show y'all the other side of Madam Glam so that y'all can try the same stuff that I was looking at home. Super, super, super easy. You don't got to buy a whole bunch of stuff. You can have long nails, short nails, natural nails. These trends, try them. The first one is the holographic cat eye. I know you've seen it. This is idea number 1. This right here, you're done. Put this up there. Magnet. A little magnet action. Get that beam where you want it. Look how beautiful this is. Top coat. You're done. Where are you going? To a party? I don't know. Walmart? Your nails, they set the tone, but you set the mood. Does that make sense? So, you know how sometimes you're just like, but you do your nails and you're like, girl, wait a minute. Now that I got these nails, I feel like you know what I'm saying? With these nails, I feel like excitement. I feel like getting ready to basically like round out this new year, the end of this year, and like already, let's get into the new year. Let's party. This second trend that I saw and had in my dream like nail inspiration folder was those smoke nails. Now with smoke nails, you tend to need a black base coat with a matte finish, and then there's a lot of ways you can accomplish the white smoke, and it's just like you can mix this and girl, Madam Glam said put down this black polish and matte top coat, and we got you for the smoke. Now this is design number 2. Super quick, super easy. You take this ink, bim, bam, zippity boo. Okay? Bibbity, boppity, boo. Okay? You can build it up. You can make it as opaque as you like. Girl, the nail was done. Now, if you wanted to take some pigments and like stamp them up, this would be where you would go from here once this is dry, and it dries almost instantly. So now you could do the nail like this, or you could take it to another level. But look how easy that was. Super easy. You don't have to use a black background. You could use a pink, yellow, orange, red. But look, the nail art is done. The nail art is done. You can literally top coat, walk out. I mean, if you want to take the party to the next level, all right, you could put a little bit of the holographic polish that I showed you in the beginning over it. I mean, it's your world. Okay? I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut and show you my nails. And also telling you to go over there to Madam Glam. Like, it's not just polish. It's like hand care, nail art. Like, they're expanding their horizons, and I like where it's going. The next trend, jelly polishes. Who has not seen jelly polish? I have been looking for a blue. And Madam Glam said, Candy, we got you. Show them this. What design is this? Number 3? Literally, you've done your nails 3 different ways. And we're only, 5 minutes in? You're welcome. You don't have to take it Vincent Van Gogh like I do every time. I'm an extremist, okay? This simple, classy nail works for somebody. If it's you, let that be your style. Try the trend. You don't got to have claws like I do. But Madam Glam has something for everybody, okay? The length is what separates us, not the product. This jelly went on beautifully. Like you could build it up. I'm going to show you 1 layer and 2 layers, but I got a little fancy. I put design number 4 on you. Listen, because I don't want you to have to think too hard. I don't want you to think too hard. If I order this, can I use it? Combine it. Okay? Put it together. Make it enough. And shimmy on down. Look at this holographic over the jelly. How sexy is that? This comes in like 5 different colors. Orange, I want to say like a red. I don't want to lie in a video that I'm advertising somebody's product, but listen, so easy, so quick. You didn't need an art degree. You didn't need any bling. All you needed was these 2 products, okay? And you can put them on your nails and get that razzle dazzle that you need in your life. You could take off this shimmer and just wear the jelly, and it would still be cute and on trend. And guess what? You got one of those I want to try that design out of the way. Just bring it on home. Can we get 5 out of this? I think we can get 5 quick designs. And you need them. You need them because fall's coming up. It's different stuff that you want to do with your nails. You've got all this stuff at your house, and you're not going to put it away because it's fall. I ain't crazy. We're going to use this stuff. And I got the stuff that I knew I could use throughout the seasons. None of this goes out of season. It is the accoutrement to whatever you already got going on. These are all great products. So I said, listen, let me take it a zhuzh further, okay? Because this is giving Versace. This is giving Versace, okay? It's giving smoke, maybe punk rock. But if I add this gold to it, if I put this, gild the edges, now I'm giving Baroque goth. Okay, see how I took it to a whole, and it's not taking a lot. It's just taking a little tit. It just depends on where you want to take the product. Once you go over to Madam Glam, put it in your cart, and then you get it in your home. I'm just trying to show you that I don't just pick polish because they're sending it to me. I pick polish that I know I'm going to use and show y'all how to use so that we can all use it together in multiple ways. This 3D gel is so great for just like accenting. I just wanted to put a little bit around the edge, just a little bit inside the smoke, just to give it a little bit of dimension, because y'all know I'm extra, and Madam Glam helps me be extra, especially with my art. And so I wanted y'all to not only, if you didn't know, go over there and try these products, but give you 5. Was it 5? Girl, it was 5. 5 quick ways that you can actually use the products. I know sometimes because we're getting PR, you're like, are they just selling it to us? I ain't selling you nothing. I already got it. Okay? What I'm telling you is that if you go over to Madam Glam's and get any one of their products, I'm pretty positive you'll be happy. You'll be pleased as punch. And you will be like, do you know what? They don't like it just because it's PR. This polish is not running. That is something I have learned about comparing polishes. One of the things I love most about Madam Glam's polish is it is not runny. It goes where it goes. When I'm comparing the holographic polishes that I've tried, it seems like if there's not enough magnet in the polish, if that makes sense, when you're moving it around, it doesn't do as much. This has a great amount. Like, it really shimmy and shakes. The gel, okay, I have one that just kind of, it's a little streaky. Look at this color. Look how beautiful, and it looks legitimately like jelly. Okay, now listen, I was chopping down trees and I got a hold of some vine. Okay, like I got a yard. Let me tell you something, your girl lives in the nails, and ain't none of them break, but the poison ivy and the vine got to me. So just ignore my hands and buy this polish. All right, I've healed. Jesus healed me. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you depend on if you count and stop at different steps, it's actually 6 quick and easy designs you can actually try with these Madam Glam products that I 100% stand by. I love them all, and you will see them again because I love the quality of Madam Glam's product. I told you it's not runny, and if you polish a lot, you'll understand why. The color can be beautiful, and it'll be runny and it won't cure. I never had that issue with Madam Glam. So go over there, check them out. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you try any of this quick and easy nail art. Thank you for spending the evening with me or any time with me. And please use the code, save you a little coin over there at Madam Glam. Madam Glam, thank you for sending me these products to show the girls and everyone else. Y'all have a great weekend, a great night, a great day, a good life. All right. Thank you for watching. I guess I can show you. Subscribe. Bye-bye.